Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Instagram app. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Now, locate and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Next, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the time management option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, find the sleep mode option and tap on it. Unfortunately, it's turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the sleep mode option, set the start and end times, and finally, select Save to turn on sleep mode instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.